Hello, I'm Michael, and I built a terminal game about a snail on an adventure. Writing the main game loop forced me to think about how Python works, what the code was doing, and understand state manipulation. This was rewarding, but not the goal of the project. I wanted to build an inventory system. After several tutorials, I felt like I understood nothing, so I built one from scratch. The project goals are to spawn random items, allow player decisions for items, create the inventory UI from scratch, allow player inventory management, and avoid black boxes and use only the standard Python library. The MVP criteria for the inventory UI are a dynamic grid from column and row inputs, dynamic item slot size, stackable and non-stackable item handling, and inventory management with open, close, add, and discard item mechanics, and graceful error handling. And with that, let's play the game.